Are you ready to let go of your attachments to the physical world? Right now, we are moving through what is called an ascension process. So what that means is we are ascending to higher energy. So when that's happening, think about it. If I'm ascending and I'm holding on to old things and old attachments, like to the physical world, then it's going to pull me down. It's kind of like, if you remember, you ever see those balloons in the carnivals and so forth, and they're going up and they have a rope and they pull them back down and they kind of go up and down. So you're trying to ascend, but if you're attached to things in the physical, then you're continuing to be stuck. Now, this is tricky because we are living in a physical world and obviously have physical needs and things that we have to survive here. The key is I'm not attached to it. So I want you to look at yourself, and you have to be honest and say to yourself, what am I attached to here in this world, this material or physical world or 3D world, whatever you want to call it? You could be attached to money. You could be attached to possessions. You could be attached to certain status. You could be attached to a position that you have. You could be attached to your identity as far as how you see yourself, and you're very concerned about how people perceive you or see you. And these are things that create problems. You could be attached to people, certain people that you're very attached to, even though you may know on some level that those are toxic relationships. It's very important right now to release and remove those attachments. So it doesn't mean you can't have anything. Obviously, we need money to survive, we need a place to live, or your car, whatever it is that you have. The idea is you can have it. You don't want to feel attached to it. The attachment is what causes the problem. When you look at people, in my life, I've worked with a lot of people who've been very super wealthy. And I will tell you, a lot of them, no matter how much they have, they cannot get paid. They just want more, more, more. And it's almost, you kind of look at them and say, what is this? What is driving this? And again, it's the fear. It's the idea that I need more. It's the idea that I have to have more than the next guy. These are all very egoic things. This idea that I am defined by my position. I am defined by what I have. I am defined by having a certain car. All these egoic attachments are bringing your vibration down, not allowing you to ascend. Take inventory, let go of those attachments, and your energy will rise to higher levels. I'm going to be doing a webinar on this on September 2nd. It's going to be at spiritualsaturdays.com. I'll put it in the information below if you want to join me, kind of get some more information. I'll go in more detail as far as how to do this, how to deal with it, how to let it go, and how to elevate yourself. But take that inventory, it'll really help. So have a great one. Be blessed.